Hi friends, it is a jubilation time in the markets. Nifty 50 has touched 15,000 and BSE Sensex crossing 50,000. The compounding returns made by the investors in the last 4 decades are mind-blowing to the tune of 500 times. Don't you think this is really rewarding? We believe the next decade is going to be really encouraging as well for all the equity mutual fund investors. For making the equity investment simple for you and to participate in the long-term wealth creation journey, one product category in my view which clearly stands out and should be considered by investors at this juncture are multi-cap funds. These are open-ended diversified equity funds and can invest across market capitalization segments. In our view, these funds provide excellent long-term wealth creation prospects by way of investing in through lump sum investments as well as SIP or STP route. No wonder this category of funds have grown consistently over the last decade. ITI Multi-Cap Fund was our first equity fund offering when we had started our journey back in 2019. This is an all-rounder fund which seeks to invest across market capitalization, and that includes large caps, mid caps and small cap stocks. The fund aims to offer smooth investment experience over the long term and have the ability to provide excellent returns over various market conditions. Hence, this fund provides a win-win situation for all our equity investors and can be planned as a one-stop equity investment solution for long-term wealth creation. Portfolio construction will be clearly benchmark agnostic and also would be clearly focused on bottom-up research for stock picking. The fund will follow a differentiated strategy to manage risk during bullish and bearish market scenarios and suitably align the portfolio to meet the investor needs. The fund will generally be minimum invested at least 90%. For the purpose of allocation between large cap and mid cap and small cap segments, we follow a unique internal research driven process which is based on valuation, expected earnings growth and market and business cycles. The fund would typically maintain minimum of 40% allocation towards large cap stocks, which will provide stability to the portfolio and give reasonably decent returns. The fund will have 25% each towards mid and small cap segments as per SEBI classification, which will provide extra returns or alpha to the portfolio. We follow GARP style of investing, growth at reasonable price and not at growth at any price. Our investment philosophy is SQL, margin of safety which is S, quality of the business is Q and low leverage is L. This means buying good quality stocks at attractive valuations where the underlying companies have very low debt. These are the important factors that we consider while making an investment, which we believe is essential to create excellent investment experience for investors. The fund follows unique investment philosophy, which has proven merits. The fund tends to offer smooth investment experience across market cycles. It has the potential to create excellent risk-adjusted returns and long-term wealth. Our strong expertise in equity research and bottom-up stock picking will definitely help to make a difference to the portfolio. The fund risk management is also planned very well. We think this is the most relevant product in the entire equity investment product universe and provides a good and excellent long-term equity allocation solution. Everyone wants to make wealth in the long run, but choosing the right product is also necessary to achieve your financial goals. We strongly believe the next decade is going to be rewarding for equity investors. The investment climate is quite conducive with long-term reforms in place and strong upturn in the economy. This would mean the earnings growth will be massive in the coming years, and therefore equity as an asset class provides an excellent and great investment opportunity at this juncture. We believe ITI Multi-Cap Fund brings to you an excellent avenue to invest in equity from a long-term perspective. I urge each one of you to invest with confidence and win with an all-rounder. That is ITI Multi-Cap Fund. So here is ITI Multi-Cap Fund for you to nurture your future and also enable you to achieve your long-term financial goals. We thank all our partners and investors for their excellent support extended to us all through this journey. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully